Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Before diving in, just a quick disclaimer that every single information I'm going to share with you in this video is based on my own research and personal experiences. So this is not a sponsored content, so I will try to give you an honest review and an unbiased take. So let's get straight into it. So in today's video, we're going to do a quick and in-depth review of the LANEIGE sleeping mask. It has got really popular on the social media recently and getting viral all over the social media because a lot of people are talking about this. So it was $24. Now we're going to dive in and find out what's actually behind all those advertisements. As you can see, it's a clinically proven lip care formula as per their instructions on their official website. So I've tried to dive deeper and find out about the information that is available on some legit platform like Amazon. So the first thing first, this product is also available on Amazon, which is a major green signal. Why? Because being available on Amazon because means that it has passed through a variety of safety checks and overall it has a rating of 4.6 out of 5 star, which is legit because it's on Amazon, and it is based on 52,000 ratings. So this is a very good signal about this product. And another good thing about this, almost 60,000 plus people have bought this just in the past month, and based on the rating of all the people, I believe that this product is pretty much authentic and legit, and you should try it out. And another good signal about this product is once I tried to search for their domain information of their official website, I got to know it was registered back in 2002. So it has been in the market for more than 20 years. So this is a major green signal. So in conclusion, I would say like this product is actually worth buying based on the information that we have got from the internet. So I hope this review was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching the video and hope to see you in the next one. Goodbye.